Hello you guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, hey girl, my name is Liz. Today we are doing by far my most requested video, which is a hair tutorial. How I get my hair in this big, fun, messy hairstyle. This is like my everyday hairstyle. I like wild hair that is, you know, imperfect. The bigger the better. I just love this hairstyle because it can be worn for days on end. You don't need to touch it up, and I just like big messy hair. So if you guys want to learn how I do this, it's really easy. There's just a few little techniques that I kind of switch up that I've never seen anyone else do. So yeah, if you guys want to see this tutorial, keep on watching. Also, everything's going to be linked in the description box, along with a few hot tools that I would recommend. The hot tool that I'm using is discontinued, unfortunately, but I'm going to try and find a few alternatives and, you know, like make sure they're like the same measurements and stuff. So you should be able to achieve this hairstyle no problem. Also, I just wanted to call out, if you have some really straight hair that does not hold a curl, what I would recommend doing is going in with some gel when your hair is still wet and then letting it dry. You can either dry it with, you know, a hair dryer or let it air dry and then curl your hair. That gel is gonna hold the curl a little bit better. So the gel I use when my hair is wet is this Eco Argan Oil. It says it's a max hold of 10, so like a strong hold. I don't think it's a strong hold. I've definitely had stronger. I would say this is a really great gel because it does hold my style really nicely, and it doesn't get crunchy. So really love this one. I've tried all the Ecos, and Argan Oil is by far my favorite for my hair texture. And then obviously you want to go in with heat protectant. I go in with Not Your Mother's Beat the Heat Thermal Shield Spray. I really like this stuff. It works just fine. And then you're gonna need a hairspray. I like to hairspray my hair just so it gets big and fun at the end. So, you know, I kind of make it look a little bit bigger by fluffing it up and spraying at the same time. So yeah, those are like the three main things you're gonna need, but also, you know, go in with your regular hair routine. If you use a leave-in conditioner or anything like that, go in with that stuff. But yeah, that's all I got for now, so let's get into the hair tutorial. Okay, party peeps, let's get into it. So I'm sectioning my hair into 2 sections just so I cover all the ground. Pull it forward, a little heat protectant. I'm using Not Your Mother's heat protectant. And then I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel. It doesn't really matter which way you wrap the hair, if it's coming towards the face or away from the face, but let it heat up. And then once it's hot, you're gonna release the hair from the barrel and then pull it gently. And then it creates a nice loose wave instead of a spiral curl. So I typically alternate my hair, like the way the curls are going, just so they're a little bit more defined, but you can curl it all the same direction. You can flip-flop it, whatever works. The secret sauce, though, is just kind of pulling the hair at the end while it's still hot and let it cool down, you know, while it's still pulled, and it'll create a nice little wave instead of a spiral curl. So just jumping ahead, I am curling the top part of my hair, still alternating which direction I'm curling. The only thing I always do is I always curl the very front pieces away from my face just so the hair's not in my face all day. But yeah, it's pretty easy. It's effortless. You don't really have to think about it. As you guys could probably tell, I was watching a show doing this, zoned out. But yeah, I keep my hair on the barrel for probably like 15 seconds, I would say, not even that long. Okay, so I just wanted to point out, this is kind of like my front section. Oh, I got 2 more sections, but I'm gonna curl these pieces away from my face just so they're not in my face. If I were to curl them towards my face, you know, they would be hanging in my face all day. So yeah, there we have it, fully curled. Let everything cool down, and then I'm just gonna take a little hairspray and literally pick up chunks of my hair while I'm spraying the hairspray, just to give it a little bit more fullness, make it big, defined, fluffy. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. You can tease your hair a little bit at the root if you want to, but my hair was really fluffy because I just washed it. So yeah, that's the entire look. Make sure to tag me if you try it out. Bye guys. Aside from my soul.